subscribe, and hit the bell icon for latest tech update. Welcome back. Today I am unboxing Sony srs-xb10 Bluetooth speaker. The Sony srs-xb10 is an ultra-compact, canister-style Bluetooth speaker that's water-resistant, with good battery life up to 16 hours, and speakerphone capabilities. The speaker sounds decent enough for its size. It outputs more bass than your typical tiny speaker. It costs around $54. Let's check the inbox accessories. Other than the speaker, the box contains one micro USB cable, and user manual. It supports NFC and AUX cable. It can be charged with normal micro USB cable. Let's switch this on, and check the bass test. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for latest tech update. Thanks for watching.